Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of hate space. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here you will go to the application of Headspace and you will enter. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next